Hello and welcome to Gardening at 58 North. So in this video I'd like to show you how to remove dandelions from lawns. So it might seem like quite a daunting task, but with the right technique it's actually quite easy to do. So what you want to do is get yourself a garden fork. You can also use specialist tools for removing dandelions as well, but a garden fork will usually do the job for you. What you want to do is find your dandelion. So this is the plant down here. You want to set the fork around about 20 centimeters away from the dandelion, and then you want to put the fork in as deep as you can get it. Then what you're wanting to do is wiggle backwards and forwards on the fork until you see the dandelion moving up and down. If the dandelion isn't moving up and down, but the grass is, then you haven't got the fork deep enough. So you need to put the fork deeper down. If that doesn't work, move the fork slightly further back. Sometimes if it's too close to it, you're actually moving the grass further away from it. So there you just want to ease back and forth, keep rocking it. You'll see here, it starts to lift up. Keep rocking it up and down until you get a decent bit of height to it. Then you want to pull away the dandelion from the grass. So what you want to do is make sure you can see where the dandelion is, get all the leaves collected together, and as you're wiggling with the fork, you want to pull up with the dandelion and you should feel it starting to loosen. So you just do this, take your time, don't rush it, otherwise you will snap the root. And just as you go, it will slowly get pulling out, and as you can see, it comes out more and more, and you'll get the entire root out that way. And that way he's never going to come back. If you take the whole root out, there's no way that it can come back. So all you need to do now is remove your fork. You'll see that the grass is slightly raised. All you want to do is push it down with your feet, get it back to the level it should be, fluff up the grass a bit so it's covering the hole where the dandelion used to be, and give it a good water as well. You just disturb the roots of this grass, it's going to need a little bit of water, so give it a good soak. And that's all you need to do to remove the dandelions from your lawn. Quite an easy task. And something that only takes about 1 minute per dandelion.